Neem oil is one of the most useful forms of organic pesticides. With the correct usage of neem oil, you can overcome almost all kind of pest-related issues. And in this video, we will see how you can make a neem oil spray at home correctly and what is its proper usage. So let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. First of all, it's important to know what's neem oil. Neem oil is the oil extracted from neem seeds. This oil contains a very strong scent and taste that pests hate very much. Its application on any plant makes an invisible shield that will keep it protected from any kind of pest and insects. Among all kinds of organic pesticides, neem oil is the only pesticide that works as good as chemical pesticides. There are a lot of benefits of using neem oil around your plants. First of all, it's a pesticide, which means it inhibits the growth and reproduction of pests. It makes them go away from your plants, and this way you will get much better harvest from your plants. Use of neem oil spray on a plant provides it certain elements. Neem oil is not a fertilizer, but some elements are still present in it. By the frequent use of neem oil spray, plant appears to have a shiny and vibrant look. You can also use it to enhance the leaf colors of indoor houseplants. Neem oil spray also acts as a fungicide as it's made from neem seeds. It inhibits the growth of fungi in the soil or on the plant. It also acts as an antibacterial compound, meaning it stops many kind of spreadable plant diseases. Overall, neem oil use makes pests go away and improve the overall health of our plants, especially if we are using it on our vegetable garden. Now let's know what's the proper way to make and use neem oil spray. For making a neem oil spray at home, you will need a pure quality neem oil. You can get it from any oil extraction shop or garden store. One good quality neem oil is also added in the description box to buy. Now take a liter of water container. Add up to 1 to 2 tablespoons of neem oil in it. Oil and water won't mix up, so here we will need some kind of soap. You can use liquid soap, hand wash, shampoo, etc. Add up to 1 tablespoon in a liter of bottle. Now mix all of these ingredients evenly so they'll make a milky texture with some soapy layer on top. Now our homemade neem oil spray is ready to use. Here you can also subscribe to our channel. For correctly using a neem oil spray on a plant, mix the solution really well and spray it all over the plant. If your plant is infected, use on the infected parts. You have to wash off the whole plant with the solution, and while you are spraying it on your plant, keep mixing it along so the solution makes an even layer on the leaves. You can use this as a spray on your plants in the evening time or in the early morning. And if your plant is having some kind of pest attack, you can use it every alternate day. But if your plant is healthy and you are just using it for prevention, use only once a week. Every time you have to use the neem oil spray, you should make a new one. Make only how much you need. Following the correct way, you can use a neem oil spray on all kind of plants. It's very useful for vegetable garden. Even if your plants have fruit on it, you can use neem oil spray. You can also use it for indoor house plants to enhance their leaf colors. You can also use it for any kind of flowering or fruiting plant. Just don't use it on cacti and succulents, as the spray foam can make them rot. Using a neem oil spray on herbs and ferns causes yellowing leaves. There are also a few do and don'ts of using a neem oil spray on your plants you should know about. Never use neem oil spray during the daytime, especially when the sun is up. Best time is the early morning or evening. Apply the neem oil spray all over the plant for effective results, over the leaves, below the leaves, on the stem, etc. If you don't have a neem oil, there are a lot of kitchen-based items you can use to make a pesticide at home. There is a video added in the description box about organic pesticides you can follow, and here is a detailed video about all kind of pests you will face on day-to-day basis. It will help you identify them and make a cure, so just follow this and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.